yung kalabaw niya parang alagang-alaga.
Alin po?
Laki.
Ayun po ano.
Hindi pa yan.
So it was a good day today. I'm feeling a little tired. We've been at this since Monday. Two things. The guy that came and took down the 2 coconut trees, he charged me $2,600 for the 2 coconuts and for giving us 2x4s. We also ordered 2 cubic feet of sand and 2 cubic feet of rock for the house that's being built. We've already dug all the footings. And the guy who's building it is just, he's amazing. He's really good. The boys and June, they've been at the fence pretty much most of the day. So that's what we've been doing. I've been kind of helping there and helping here and running some errands, talking to other people regarding what we need to order. The well people never came again. So I'm close to telling them not to come back. So wood from the 2 coconut trees yielded a lot of good lumber that's going to be used for scaffolding. The footings have been dug. June is saying goodbye. Took home one of the coconut trees. It's like the very top. It's called ubud, and they can cook it, and it's like a vegetable. So he took one of the 2. I gave it to him just to say thanks. And so we're gonna wrap up the day. Hopefully everything is here by the time we get back tomorrow. Really can't wait to have that hut here. Because then we could have slept overnight if we had water. The rat bastard water guys still have not come. So we got sand and stone delivered. So we just got here. The boys have already been here. We're gonna expecting 2 more deliveries of stone. Sorry, 1 more delivery of stone, 1 more delivery of sand. And then June's laying out the post and foundation. He's plumbing the footing. One of the problems that I found is that the guys had they literally followed my instructions to a T, and they even put the mahogany under all this shade. So they're not gonna grow. So I'm gonna move about 25 of them out of this shaded area and also get them out of the plastic bags that they were planted in. This literally has not grown nothing because it's still in the bag. Watch what happens when I get this plant out. Really ridiculous the way they told the guys to do this. What happens here? In the bag. How ridiculous is that? Then you put it in the shade, then it's got no chance of growing at all. So I'm going to take this and transfer it out into the sun and hopefully it grows a little bit better. We're replanting all of these under here. The boys are planting it out in the open. So we relocated the mahogany here, another 2 rows, relocated it from underneath the canopy so that way they get a chance to grow. We've also relocated the Nara trees out here, and hopefully they can get a good head start. This is an open field, very nice. And June and Bunso is working hard, making sure that we have markers on all of the trees so that no one grass cuts them by mistake. June, maganda sana itong taniman kasi walang
Walang
ano?
araw pa. Walang harang sa araw.
Walang oo. At saka matubig-tubig din.
Opo.
I gotta get rid of that palm frond. It hit the banana. Gotta borrow a knife.